This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Greenshot installed and ready. Run the installer as administrator so shortcuts and startup options work reliably. Once installed, open Preferences and make Greenshot start with Windows so it's always available. Make sure to assign a convenient hotkey print screen replaces the snipping tool instantly. Also pick a default save folder and file type, for example PNG, so your captures go where you expect. This reduces friction when you need a quick screenshot. Once configured, learn the capture modes so you stop reaching for the snipping tool. Use Capture Region to draw an exact rectangle. It's faster for ad hoc cropping. For full app windows, use Capture Window. Greenshot detects the active window automatically. Make sure to enable Auto Copy to Clipboard when you want to paste immediately, and set the editor to open after capture if you need annotations. These choices make workflow smoother and save time. To finish your workflow, use the built-in editor to crop, add arrows, or blur sensitive areas, then export to file or copy to clipboard. This replaces multiple steps you used in the snipping tool. For repeat tasks, set auto-save rules or keep prompt to save if you need control. If Greenshot fails to capture, make sure it's running at startup, check for hotkey conflicts with other apps, and restart Greenshot. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.